Hello everyone, welcome to this new section. So here we will see how to download and install the Power BI desktop. So I have this link here. So I have given this link in the description as well. Yeah. If you see, I have that link open here on the Chrome. So here you can go to Power BI, Microsoft Power BI, where you can choose product as a Power BI desktop. So you will see these options. So there is one option here, download free. So Power BI is completely free to download. Okay. So once I click on this download free, you will get this option, open Microsoft Store. So you will open Microsoft Store. Once you click on this option, you will go to Microsoft Store. So here currently I have the Power BI installed on my machine. So I will get this open option here only. But if you don't have, you will get to install here, get an option to install the Power BI desktop and then launch it. So once I open this, my application will get open. Okay. Meanwhile, I will show you the second option. Second option is, see, if you click on see download or language options, now just click on this option. You will go to another web page where you will select the language. Okay, if you want the Power BI in different language, so you can select that, okay, and then download it. So here below that there are some details of the application. There are some system requirements and install instructions here. So after getting this all, just click on the download option. You will get uh, the application downloaded on your machine. Okay, so this is how you will download your Microsoft Power BI. So now my Power BI has been opened. Okay, so see, this is my Power BI application. Okay, so if you see here, there is these are the options present here. This is a newer version of the Power BI. Power BI has been updated always at every monthly basis, not yearly, but it is updating on monthly basis. So you can see there are these features like there are filters, then this is for visualization and this is your data fields. Okay, so this is the first page of the Power BI. Okay, this is a latest updated version of Power BI. So that's it for today's session. How to download and install Power BI desktop on your machine. Thanks for watching.